Grabe, kompleto.
Ilabas niyo ang galit ng ngiti.
Ano ilalabas?
2 points for number 62.
Technical foul. Andre, take it easy, man. Who's foul? Who was the foul first? 93, foul.
3 seconds violation. Huwag magtagal ang paa sa kamay.
Lanlanes. May buwan ng spray. Kailangan ng spray dito. Hey, yung first aid natin. Yung first aid.
Nagdadalawang isip. Saldi.
First aid natin. First aid.
Preskong presko pa. Preskong presko pa.
Yung spray lang. Spray lang.
All right. Bola na puti.
Score is 6-6.
Two points for number 75. Number 1 to number 28.
Next time, hit it.
Rebound by number 75, pass to number 89. May drop pass po nangyayari. May umikot. Number 1. 2 points for number 34. Two become 1. Tumira. Preskong presko pa. Ganyan talaga. Thank you.
All right, the score is 10.
Number 34. Hindi po umubra. Counted. That shoot from number 6. Basket good.
JM 7-3.
Muntik na po. Mawala yung bola. 86. There's a foul. May accidental motion po dun. Mag-ingat po tayo, mag-ingat. Jet lag pa yan si Peter, jet lag pa. All right, number 6.
Basket good.
Ang ganda po, ang ganda.
Score is 10-10.
Offensive. Number 75, foul. Illegal screening.
Red ball.
Number 28, nagdadala ng bola, controlling the ball. Pinaikot yung bola. Ang ganda ng anticipation ng number 6. To the big man. Number 62. Magsalita ka, Peter. Magsalita ka. There's a foul.
53 to the foul. Minute, 2 shots in the line.
That foul sending number 23 in the line.
30 seconds.
Basket count.
The first quarter remaining.
Number. Rebound by number 75. Number 6, nagdadala ng bola. To the rim.
Jalen got the ball. Pass to 53. Jalen got the ball.
Number 6, ang ganda ng pasan sa ilalim. Number 1, guarded by number 44. Substitution rep. Substitution. Yung mga sub dyan, sub. Pak. It's time now. It's your break. Time out. Rep, time out. Time out, Diva. Inbound situation.
Okay.
May hassle po ang nangyayari, may hassle. Traffic, may traffic. Red ball. May banggaan po. May banggaan po sa junction. Alright, number 7, nagdadala ng bola. Number 6. There's a foul. Oh. Hindi na bayad niya. Oh, wow. Seryoso na ba ito? Saan mo kumabayad? Tulo na lang $5. Basket count. There's a foul. Number 6. Number 6 foul. Number 6. Ang ganda po ng posisyon nila. Same ball. Same ball. You have 2 seconds. 2 seconds in the shot clock. Bang! 2 points. May bonus through pa. Mga bali-bali mo. Sorry, 2 points for number 75. All right. Rebound by number 7. What a long pass for number 1. Unlucky for today. All right, number 6 nagdadala ng bola. Guarded by number 28. Ang ganda oh. Two points for number 1. Number 6, nagdadala ng bola. Guarded by number 28. Number 7, forcing foul. Number 7. Number 7 now guarded by number 1. Back to number 6. Mr. Coleman. Back to number 6. Ang ganda po. Ang ganda po ng hustle sa baba. Number 1. Bang! And 1. That foul sending number 1 in the line with a bonus through. Dalawa na. Number 6, second personal foul. Number 6. Basket count. Number 6 controlling the ball, guarded by number 28. There's a guarding pressure. Nagtatalo na ng mga malalaki. Pasa sa labas. Number 89. Stepping on the line. Timeout! Diva. Lupad ba? Chu. To number 23. Chu using the board. 2 points for Mr. Chu. Number 14 nagdadala ng bola. Nangunguna. Pasa kay number 6 guarded by number 28. Binigyan ng screen. Tumera. See you next time. Number 1. To Mr. Chu. Umatake. May backup. May backup pala yun. Pasa pala yun. Number 6 nagdadala ng bola. Number 40. Behind the back. Tumera. Ayaw pumasok. Number 1 now nagdadala ng bola in the second gear. May hesi move ang nangyayari. Ayaw. Number 34. Kala ko atake. Sa kanya pa rin. Rebound by number 89 to number 15. Saved by the Bulls.
Pinasok sa loob. Nasa. Easy basket.
Using body. Wala ma-anticipate. Ang ganda. 2 points. Oh. Dead ball siya, dead ball. All right, number 6 nagdadala ng bola. Tumera. Bang! 2 points for number 79. Timeout! Belen. Same ball. Adrian for 3. Ayaw. Sa pagbabalik, there's a foul. Number 91. Announcement, our 3-point shootout will happen after all the game. Number 22. Umaatake. Nagdadalawang isip. Oh, ayun, unlucky. Rebound by number 7. So 75. Wero, Tumera ng dos. Pasok. Number 91. Kalma po nagdadala ng bola. Binabanda na number 44. To the corner man, back to the middle man. What a long pass na anticipate po yung pasa. To number 44. Ganda po ng fake niyo. Ganda ng fake. There's a foul. Number 22. Ilang na siya? Number 22, you have 2 personal foul. 2 personal foul. Number 22. 70. Ayaw. Sa kanya po yung paring bola. Tumira. Ang ganda. Yari, number 7 connects 2 points. Naka-recover po siya, naka-recover. Yan ang tinatawag na cover shoots. Number 34, Tumira, ayaw. Sa kanila pa rin yung bola. Pinasa kay number 22. Gumawa ng body contact. Red ball. Inbound situation. Number 28, tumira ng tres. Ayaw. Rebound by number 7. Now number 44, nagdadala ng bola. Pass to number 78.
Who's foul ref?
May hassle po ang nangyayari. Wiro in the perimeter line. Ayaw. Lumabas po. Sayang. Alright, number 28 in the second gear. Rim to rim. Bang! Sumagot. Rim to rim din. Ayaw. Naagawan. Number 22 in the second gear. 2 points again. We are all 20. Number 6. There's a foul.
Zigzagging move. Oops. Kinuha ang depensa sa loob. Pinasa sa labas. Oy!
Graduate ko ba si Jap? End of the second quarter. Oblated basket. Back to the ball game. Oh, may hassle po, may hassle. May karambola po sa ilalim. Gumalaw na ang number 23. Agawan po. Number 6, nagdadala ng bola, guarded by. Dalawa po ang dumidepensa. Dalawa. Number 7. Back to number 6. So number 15 in the perimeter line. Bang! 3! For number 15, yan po ang inaabangan ng lahat. Kasama po lahat ng barangay. Number 28. Two points for number 7. Yun po ang galawan ng number 7. Number 6. Guarded by number 91. Shot clock is running down. 2 points. I'm very sorry. 3 seconds violation. Sayang yun, sayang. See you next time. Number 1, nagdadala ng bola, guarded by number 40. Back to number 91. Tumira na 3. Ayaw. 75 now. 75 nagdadala ng bola, guarded by number 1. May screen po nangyayari. May drop pass. Ganda ng pasa. Using the ball by number 6. Number 1 in the first gear. Sa kanya pa yun yung rebound. May foul! May foul po ang nakikita. Intense po ang laban. That foul sending number 1 in the line.
93. Bumasa sa loob.
Sayang, unlucky. Wala po, sayang. There's a foul spotted by the referee. Number 75. Number 75, you have 2 personal fouls. 2 personal fouls. And the perimeter lane. Ayaw. Rebound by number 15. Number 6 now controlling the ball. Lee. Nag-iisip. Pinasa. Balik kay Lee. Gumawa ng hesi move. May foul. Kumuha ng foul pala yun. Substitution rep. Substitution.
Official score 39-35. White team.
Rebound. Same man. Same ball. Ang ganda ng pasa. Number 6 now nagdadala ng bola. Guarded by number 91. Umaatake. Unlucky. Rebound by number 23 to number 91. May drop pass po nangyayari. Bang! That we gonna call is sure shot. Alright, number 14 now. Nilalakbay po ang bola. Umaatake. Offensive foul by number 89. Timeout! Diva. Alright, back to the ball game. Alright, number 7 now nagdadala ng bola.
4 second shot na.
Number
4
7.
second shot na. Okay?
Gumawa ng easy move. May drop pass. Perimeter lane.
4 second shot na.
There's a foul. Number 34. Pushing foul. Sayang. Nangunguna. Number 28, 2 points.
Laser band.
Alright, number 6 now. Gumagawa ng kwento. Number 44. Tumira. Kulang pa. Kulang ng tulak. Rebound by number 34. Number 7 now. Paso number 62. Napaplanong pumasok. Tumira. Rebound by number 7. Number 75. May ikot. May foul. May ikot at saka may foul.
3 fouls. Okay, Jen. 3 fouls. 1 foul, Jen.
5 fouls Number 8, number 6 to number 75. Same position. There's a foul. Number 7. That foul sending number 89 in the line. One point for number 89. Tanggalin yung board, tanggalin yung board. Basket count.
This is the fourth quarter. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute.
number 7. And one. That foul sending number 34 in the line. Rebound by number 89 goes to number 6. Number 6 gumawa ng kwento guarded by number 62. 44 may pasa sa ilalim. Red ball. Palitan po sila mga kapatid. Palitan po.
Muna tayo guys.
Ramdam na nila, ramdam na. Ah. Number 6 to number 44. Tumira! Kulang. Number 7.
First team foul. Basket scoop.
Palitan. Ganyan talaga sila. Nagbibigayan yan eh. Nagbibigayan. Nararamdaman nila po ang isa't isa. All right. And right. Ang ganda ng block. Yan ang tinatawag na hindi anticipate yung block. Number 28. Bumalik na.
Out of bounds. All right, number 78. Number 78. Pass to 73.
Bounce back. Number 6. Guarded by number 62. Sabi niya, kalma muna, kalma. Shot clock is running down. Umaatake. Bang! What a slow move by number 6. We are now in the fourth quarter. Ang ganda po ng pasa. Number 6 na nagdadala ng bola. Nagsisit up po. Pass to the corner man. Back to the middle man. Guarded by number 28. 3 seconds violation. Mabuti pa magtagal ang kamay sa baso. Ang ganda ng pasahan. Yan ang tinatawag ng unguarded pass. Tulog po kayong lahat, tulog po. Gising. Rebound by number 23. Number 7 na nagdadala ng bola. Ang ganda ng pasahan sa ilalim.
Offensive foul.
2 points for number 28. $40 to number 6. Tumira ng 3. Hold. Number 22, post. Posing foul. Number 22, you have 3 personal foul. Number 1. Ang ganda. Hindi lang pumasok. That foul sending number 1 in the line. Uwiro, number 6, you have 4 personal foul. 4 personal foul. Basket count. Two points for number 7 using the board. He scored 39 number. He scores 39 over 31. Tumira ng 3. Ayaw. Number 1. Nagdadala ng bola. Ang ganda ng pasahan. Yan ang tinatawag na pasa. Pasa talaga. Number 6. Guarded by number 28. Nice tumble po. Nice tumble. Timeout! Diva. Number 6 guarded by number 28. 4-3. Kapos. Sayang. Number 1.
Nagmamadali. Uy!
Same ball.
Number 53.
Uy. Number 22 in the perimeter line. Bang! For 3! Number 75 guarded by 1. May agaw po ang nangyayari. Number 23 for 2 points. AC basket for number 23. Number 6. Na-anticipate na po yung pasa. 2 points for number 1. .28 now controlling the ball pass to number 1.
Okay, back to the ball game. 2 minutes and 34 seconds on the fourth quarter.
Number 6, Omar Angkada. Timeout! Inbound situation. Advance po ang number 44. Advance.
Pinasa kay 93. Pinakain sa loob. Hintay mo yung kalaban. It's a technical.
To number 6. $100 in the second gear. Ang ganda ng pasa.
Technical free throw.
Ang ganda ng pasa.
49-47. 1 minute and 37 seconds.
Number 6. Saldi for 3. Ayaw. Receive. Number 91.
Okay? Last one in 30 seconds.
2 points for 100. Yan ang tinatawag na catch and look. Tumira ng 3.
Number 13, foul. Number 13, first foul.
1 minute and 55 seconds. 2 points for number 6.
Photo shot. 1 and 17 seconds.
91.
Si Boss Glenn
To number 22. Tumira ng 3. Two points for number 6.
Number 50 foul. 4 fouls.
Same ball.
Penalty next.
Substitution rep.
Warning for penalty, red team. 57 seconds remaining on the fourth quarter. Home team.
Lee for
Warning.
to number 6. There's a foul. "91. Time check, less than a minute in the fourth quarter. Basket's good.
Time out, ref! Time out! Mamaya, pag pumasok na.
Same ball. Eleven seconds shot clock. Two points for number 6. May nanalo na. Number 62. End of the final quarter. Congratulations to the winner. Congratulations to the winner. You are now fighting for the grand final. Shake hands po tayo. Shake hands.